Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix a problem if you are missing Instagram notes. As you might have noticed, this is the new feature that Instagram just rolled out. So if I go to my messages on Instagram, I can see up here these bubbles, they are representing notes. So I have note, my friend here has a note, but if you're missing this, if you have just messages, here are some tricks that I can show you to fix this problem. So first thing we want to do, we want to go to App Store. So I'm going to go there, App Store, and I'm going to type here Instagram so I can check if my Instagram is updated. So next to the Instagram icon, I have sign that says open, so that means my Instagram is updated to the latest version. If on your phone says update instead of open, you should update that, and that will in most cases fix the problem. But if that didn't fix the problem, here's the trick that I have found very useful to fix bugs on Instagram. So we're gonna go to our profile. Here at the top right corner on these three lines, go to settings, go to account, and down there I'm gonna go switch to professional account. Now, we're gonna switch to a professional account and go back to the personal account. So let's start doing this. Professional account, continue, 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 continue again. You can choose anything here, it doesn't matter, because you're going back to your personal account. So I'm gonna set done. We're gonna hit next, okay, and that's it. We're gonna go X here. So now when I go to my messages, I can still see notes. They're still there, of course. But now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to our profile. We're gonna hit those three lines again. We're gonna go to settings, account again. And down there we have switch account type. I'm gonna click there and I'm gonna switch back to personal account. Click again, switch to personal account. And that's it. Now we're back to our personal account. Go to messages. My notes are still here. This is a trick I found useful. It fixes lots of bugs on the application, because by doing that, Instagram resets your messages and you should get your notes back on the top. So that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.